In this video, we'll show you how to factory reset an Xbox One. You may want to factory reset your Xbox One to resolve slow performance, a bug or a glitch, or unresponsive apps or games. It's also a last resort option if other troubleshooting steps don't work, or if you're planning to sell, donate, or trade in your console. Here's how to do it. First, press the Xbox One button on your controller. Then select Profile and System, Settings, System, Console Info, Reset Console. Now choose your reset option. Reset and remove everything will remove everything from your Xbox. This is a good option if you plan to sell, trade, or give away your console. Choose Reset and Keep My Games and Apps to reset the Xbox OS and delete any potentially corrupt data. This will also revert settings changes to factory defaults, but it won't delete games or game data on your hard drive. It's a good option for troubleshooting console issues. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.